All right, so you're gonna want to go ahead and open up a Temu, and once you open up Temu, it should show this up. I'm pretty sure you got the majority of you guys already know what's this app exactly. You're gonna want to go ahead and go up, click U icon, and come here where it says earn credit and free gifts. Once you're here, just scroll right on the bottom where it's, and then you're gonna want to click redeem cash to PayPal. All right, click here, and once you click here, as you see, just click start. You pick cash out up to, bro, $480, bro. 400 now it's $500 to $80, bro. You feel me? You feel me? Bro, this some easy money right here. This easy money. This is easy money right here. All right, let's go ahead and start spending. All right, first 1,000. Now, not bad. 1,000 coins. Double it. You know how to double it. All right, first 2,000. All right, let's go ahead and flip this. Let's be lucky here. I'm gonna flip this right here. Easy mode, easy mode. Come on, let's go. Accept it. We got 4 more spins, guys. 4 more spins. Go ahead and click spin. All right, 700. That's 2,700, guys. Coin. We almost there. We almost there. We just need to hit probably like 6,000, and then we should be able to go. We should be ready to go. All right. Get more cash. We got 3 more, and let's see. 3 more. Let's get to 13 redeem coin so we can redeem our money. That will be $20. All right, spin. All right, that's 4,000. All right, that's 4,000. That's 4,000. Oh, that's 5,000. That's 5,600. We have 2 more spins, guys. We have 2 more spins, and let's see where we can get this money at. All right, 1,000. All right, double it. All right, double coins. All right, that's 7. That's 7,000. Yeah, that's 8,000, by the way. We have 1 more last spin here. We need to be careful with this one right here because we don't want to lose it. You feel me? We don't want to lose it. Let's see. Let's see here. As you see here. We just need 5,000 more coins to redeem up to $20, guys. All right. Let's go. We only got 8,000. Let's go and let's be like here. Let's get at least 1,000, bro. Come on. All right, there we go. What's that? Double coins. All right. Oh, that's 10,000. 10,000. Let's go. All right, y'all. Here's where the we just got a free 100. All right. Free 100 again. Exclusive benefits, y'all. All right, that's another 100 right there. That will be 200. That will be 1,000. That will be 10,000. We just need you have gotten. All right. Now let's go. Let's see how much we can redeem from now. So let's see. We are at 20. We just need 13. We just need 3,000 more points to withdraw $20 from this app. All right, 20. We just need 3,000 more coins to withdraw $20 from this app, and basically this it for the video, guys. If you guys want to learn more, and if you guys really want to keep up with me, basically I wanted to start streaming so I can show you guys how to make this on live. You feel me? So that way, and boom, just like that, you feel me? So that way I can show you guys, the exclusive way. You feel me? The exclusive way. But that's it for the video. I hope this video helps y'all. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next video.